Hello everyone. Today we're exploring a workshop mystery, a massive, heavy tapping chuck I found at a flea market. No brand, just pure history. To find the right thread, we test a few random bolts. No. But finally an M8 match. Perfect. Let's grab the die, secure the steel, and move over to the lathe. Now let's set up the machine. Adjusting the feed rate very carefully, and we are ready. Safety glasses on, because things are about to get real. For this job, I'm using the custom finishing tool I designed and built recently. As you can see, my lathe is completely custom built, a true puzzle of recycled engineering. Right now, you can hear a slight vibration. The steel rod lacks rigidity, and the whole setup is going into resonance. And right on cue, a piece of the carbide tip breaks off. That's just how workshop life goes. It's cutting rougher now, but the project must go on. Let's keep turning. It's time to test the die on our newly turned piece, spinning it round and round, and it's generating an incredible amount of heat. The metal expands and it gets completely stuck, so I have to switch to manual power and turn it by hand. You might notice I'm doing this completely dry, without a single drop of cutting oil. A bit risky, yes, but this is a pure experiment. Phase 1 complete. It grips. Now for the drill press. A classic, but the chuck falls out. Time to clean the Morse taper. A firm tap and it spins straight. Let's mount the M5 tap and start the motor. The motor starts and boom, the outer sleeve just flies off. This tool is clearly hiding some issues. Let's swap the chuck and try a different approach. We'll attempt to drill a 5mm piece of iron using an old, completely ruined drill bit. The friction is insane, it's heating up instantly, and honestly, it's getting dangerous. Let's stop before something breaks. Time to change the setup again. I'll clean off the metal dust, reset the sleeve, and mount the main chuck back on. Let's see if it holds. It looks good, but wait, it slips out again. What a battle. The internal mechanism seems completely jammed. Probably the orbital rotating release system is locked up. This thing is crying for heavy lubrication. There's a small adjustment screw on the side. Let's see if some basic maintenance helps. Let's unscrew the top section too. I have to admit, I don't know this specific model, so I'm completely guessing here. After a few failed attempts and a bit of confusion, let's pour some more oil, let it sink in, and try to free it up. Still struggling with clamps, but finally it works. Up and down, reversing smoothly. Far from perfect. And the chuck still flies off, but we're stubborn. One last cycle, and it's over for today. This tool needs a full restoration. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.